Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can use the Windows Calculator to perform date calculations. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article we link in the description. Let's open the Windows Calculator. Open the navigation menu and go down to Date Calculation. Under From, we can look at it, for instance, from the starting date, January 1976. The 12th to today, and it'll tell you the difference: 45 years, 8 months, 1 week, or 16,687 days. You can also choose to add or subtract days. And from that date, if we wanted to add "55 years, 7 months, and 9 days," as you see, from January 12th, 1976, 55 years, 7 months, and 9 days is Thursday, August 21st, 2031. You can also subtract, and the difference between January 12th, 1976 by taking away 55 years, 7 months, and 9 days is Thursday, June 30th, 1920. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.